but to be empowered for service. Is the difference between, here's the difference between me drinking this water and the difference with me going to Brighton and walking into an ocean is the difference between being filled and being baptized. Because being baptized means to be immersed. If you're going to be empowered for service, it's more than just being filled. It's stepping into the deep. You step into the deep till the water covers you. I'm not talking about water inside of you. I'm talking till the water overflows you. That is deeper than you. It's deeper than you. That you are covered. Every part of you, your head is covered. Every part of you is covered. And that baptism is the empowerment for service.